At IEG, we pride ourselves on bringing innovative solutions to the market that help our customers operate safer and more profitable businesses. Our latest solution is the Dura-Bottom Container Repair System, designed to reduce the never-ending cycle of commercial container corrosion that cost waste haulers millions of dollars each year. Instead of repairing a corroded container with a steel bottom that's also destined to fail at some point, the Dura-Bottom is a high-density polyethylene bottom that will never rust or corrode. By welding a corrosion-resistant metal flange to the container, the Dura-Bottom simply bolts to the flange and your container is ready to use. When we introduced the Dura-Bottom to the waste industry, customers loved the idea of a bottom that never corroded, but all had the same question: will a plastic bottom work? Now, with Dura-Bottoms in the field for over 2 years, customers all over the country are seeing the benefits of the Dura-Bottom firsthand. One such customer is in Houston, Texas. In June of 2022, we installed a Dura-Bottom on a container located behind a restaurant that experiences a steady stream of wet food waste. Previous containers in this location required new bottoms every 12 to 18 months. Over the course of almost 2 years of daily dumping of wet waste, the Dura-Bottom has outperformed its steel bottom predecessors. In fact, the container was brought back in for new paint and decals, but no bottom repairs. Another great example of the Dura-Bottom in action comes from Heartland, Wisconsin. This hauling site has installed the Dura-Bottom on over 200 containers. Exposed to all 4 seasons, including winter, Heartland, Wisconsin has shown that the Dura-Bottom can withstand any climate. Like our customer in Houston, Texas, Dura-Bottom containers have been brought back for repairs and paint, but the Dura-Bottom has not been touched. While these are just a few examples of the Dura-Bottom outperforming steel, haulers all over the country are experiencing the same results. Some customers are so happy with the Dura-Bottom, they are requesting OEMs install Dura-Bottoms on their new containers to eliminate bottom replacement from the start. Still not a believer? Schedule an installation demo with our sales team today. Interested in Dura-Bottom on new containers? Let IEG connect you with our OEM partners today.